Hello, today we are going to talk about which kind of earrings you can wear with different hairstyles. First, I'm going to show you what I am wearing. I am wearing these simple solitaires, and as you can see, I have my hair tied at the back. So any kind of studs, they look very good with your bun, a low bun, a high bun, any hairstyle that is tied. So this is one look that you can go with when you're wearing your studs. Hi, the second look we're going to talk about is the big earrings, your party earrings. As you can see, our model here, she has done a messy bun here. So this kind of earrings, jhumkas, big chandeliers, they look good when you're going for your traditional outfits and you're carrying your hairstyle, which is tied, which is a low bun, which is a messy bun with a flower. These kind of earrings, the traditional kinds, look very good. So we're going to talk about the third kind of earring that you can wear with another hairstyle. As my hair, you can see, I have a pin here, they are behind the ears, and what I'm wearing is a climber. This is called a climber earring. So since my hair are behind my ears, this kind of hairstyle complements this kind of earring. Hi, the next earring type and the hairstyle type that we're going to talk about is when you have your hair open, when you're leaving them loose. So you can wear something that dangles nicely, which gives a very feminine look. So when you are carrying an open hairstyle, you can wear dangling kind of earrings. Hi, another kind of earrings that you can wear when you have a braid or your hair are tied in a pony or any other kind of braid are hoops. They look great. They complement this hairstyle, they complement your face shape. So our model here is wearing hoops. She's got a beautiful braid going on. So hoops are the perfect earring that goes with braids and ponytails that complement your hairstyle. Today's episode was about which kind of earrings you can wear with different hairstyles. We hope that you have enjoyed watching it and you have liked some of our tips. If you like it, please follow us, like us on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. This is ornatejewels.com. Thank you.